Circus Sinistro. Oh God.
Hello, welcome, my friend.
I don't think he's really my friend. I mean, it's the nightmare. So I don't know. Seems like they're not pulsing you like they have. I think in previous years, I feel like I remember being done into groups. So I don't really care. I make my own group. It smells like poop in here. Oh, okay. Oh, hello. Hi. Tell me on the doll where he hurt you. Oh. The realm of the ringmaster. Oh, I remember this. Yeah. Oh, God. Okay. That's not fair. This is a woman in nothing but black just showed up and scared me as I'm leaving. The gauntlet. Oh.
I'll have to pass. I don't know.
Okay.
Just watch your dad.
The portal. Can I get a portal gun? Oh, hello. It's a creepy face peering over the wall and glowing eyes. I think you're real. Okay. That's probably where actor should have been. Good.
Is that a video recording device?
Uh-huh.
Oh, are you scared?
No.
Okay, why do you sound scared?
Okay.
You sound scared.
Another portal to hell. Jesus. Ah. Okay. See the clever. See the clever and remarkable.
Tasty.
It's just a maze of flaps, and somebody's gonna jump out at me. Okay. Okay. Oh. Whee! Catch me! And it keeps going. This is such a good one. I'm glad they didn't get rid of this one yet. The Den of the Snake Woman. I'm sure there's nothing creepy in here. I'm sure it's fine.
Keep your eyes peeled or people peel them
Oh, okay.
It's a creepy little man.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. All right.